Why just build a wall in a fast-flowing river? Can effectively prevent floods downstream. Suppose we use a device that is constantly flowing to simulate a rapid river. The water level at this time is 1.4 centimeters. When we place an inkstone in the middle of the river, you will find the water level flowing through the inkstone increased from 1.4 centimeters to 2 centimeters. However, the water level downstream of it has dropped by as much as 70%, only 4 millimeters. According to the law of conservation of energy, no energy appears or disappears out of thin air. Instead, it will be transferred from one object to other objects. That is to say, the total energy of the upstream and downstream fluids will not change. When we introduce yen, since the upstream fluid has a higher flow height, causing an increase in potential energy plus larger flow area, will reduce the flow velocity of the upstream fluid. The downstream fluid converts potential energy into kinetic energy as the overflow height decreases and reduction in flow area to make the downstream flow rate faster. This is the reason why the depth of water flow downstream is lower than that upstream. When the heavy rain comes, heavy rainfall can cause water levels in entire rivers to rise, causing flood disasters. Flood the whole village. If a weir is added at an appropriate location, can lower the water level downstream. Although this will reduce the probability of flooding downstream, but increasing water levels upstream will seriously affect the living environment of forest animals. So engineers changed the weir into a zigzag shape. This not only has twice the flow area, allow more water to pass through, thereby lowering part of the upstream water level. It also allows suspended sediment to be deposited on the river bed. Not only effectively prevents river siltation, it can also have the effect of irrigating farmland. Have to say, whoever invented the weir was a genius.